What if you could run your entire business? Content, images, videos, research, email, marketing campaigns from a single type command? No switching tools, no writing prompts, no monthly subscription, eating your wallet alive. That's what OneCommand AI claims to do. And today I am going to break it down honestly, the good, the great, and the thing you actually need to know before you buy. So what exactly is OneCommand AI? It's marketed as the world's first AI operating system, not a chatbot, not a writing tool, but a full command-based execution platform built to run your business from one place. Here's the core idea. You train it once about your business, your product, your audience, your brand voice, and from that point on, every single output it creates to tolerate your business. Not generic, not robotic, yours. No more explaining yourself to AI every single time. No more jumping between ChatGPT for writing, Canva for graphics, and 10 other tools for everything else. That's the promise. Let's see how well it delivers. Here's what actually killing small business owners and marketers today, and nobody talks about it enough. You open ChatGPT, you spend 20 minutes writing a detailed prompt. The output is decent, but it doesn't sound like your brand. You fix it manually, then you switch to Canva for graphics, the runway for videos, the back to ChatGPT to write an email. You just burn 2 hours. You haven't solved a thing. That's the dirty secret of modern AI tools. They create work before they save work. OneCommand AI is built specifically to solve that fragmentation problem. One platform, one command, everything executes inside a single system that already know your brands. Alright, let's talk about what actually inside. First, the AI Business OS Center. This is where you train the system about your business, upload PDFs, paste URLs, add background documents, images, whatever you got. It built a business profile so every output is context aware from day one. This is genuinely one of the most useful features here because the AI stops being generic the moment it understands who you are. Second, the AI Command Center. This is your control room. You type one simple instruction, create a Facebook ad for my coaching program, and the system handles the thinking, structuring, and creation automatically. No prompt engineering, just intention. Third, image, videos, and content creation are all built in. Marketing, graphics, ad creatives, social visuals, all inside one engine. Video script, short form content for reels and YouTube short, full YouTube script, handled blog post, email sequence, sales copy, product description, all from the single command. Fourth, the AI research and deep analysis system. It can analyze URLs, summarize documents, pull competitor insights, answer complex market research questions. This alone replaces server expensive research subscription. Fifth, multi-AI chat workspace. You can run multiple AI models side by side to compare output in real time. That's genuinely useful if you want to test different angle on copy or strategy. And here's what makes the business case strong. It's a one-time fee of $17, no monthly subscription, no API key purchase. Everything is cloud-based. Work on any device, zero technical setup required. Now let me be straight with you because you deserve an honest review, not a high pitch. Weakness 1. The AI OS level is marketing language. OneCommand AI is well designed AI aggregation and workflow platform, but calling it a operating system is a strength. It's not running on your device like Windows or Mac OS. It's a web-based AI workflow tool. A very useful one, but let's set expectation accurately. Weakness 2. The $17 price point need context. The low one-time price almost certainly unlock a front-end product with upsells behind it. When you get inside, you'll likely see offer for pro versions, agency license, and additional models. This is a starter funnel model for this type of product. Budget accordingly, and don't be surprised when you see upgrade offers. Weakness 3: output quality depend on your input. Still, the platform does reduce the complexity of prompting, but the more specific and clear your command, the better your results. It's not magic. It won't know that your brand voice is casual but authoritative unless you tried unless you trained it with the information. Setup quality determines output quality. Weakness 4: no live demonstration at purchase. The sales page is heavy on claim and light verifiable live demos. Before purchasing any tool at this price point, look for user recorded walkthrough on YouTube to confirm the UI matches the promises. So, who is OneCommand AI actually right for? Buy it if you are a solopreneur, freelancer, or a small business owner drawing in content creation tasks. A digital marketer managing multiple clients who need faster output workflows. A beginner who feels overwhelmed by AI tools and want one simple system. Anyone currently paying $50 to $200 a month on multiple AI platforms because this consolidates a lot of that into one tool at a fraction of the cost. An agency owner looking for a commercial license tools to create content for clients. Skip it if you are an advanced power user who already has a refined AI stack and doesn't need a simplified wrapper. Someone expecting enterprise grade integration or deep API customization out of the box. Anyone not willing to spend 30 to 60 minutes properly training the system about their business fast. The 30-day money back guarantee doesn't reduce the risk significantly. If you're on the fence, the downside exposure at $17 is genuinely low. Here's my honest bottom line on OneCommand AI. The core concept is real and valuable. The fragmentation problem it solves. Too many tools, too much manual works, too many repeated explanation to AI is something thousands of business owners deal with every single day. The execution quality of the platform is solid for the price point. The business training features is genuinely useful. The all-in-one command approach save real time once the system is set up correctly. Is it the world first AI operating system? That's marketing, but is it a legitimate, useful, well-built AI productivity platform that could replace several of your existing subscription for a $17 one-time investment? Based on what's inside, yes, the value to cost ratio is strong. If you've been looking for a smarter, simpler way to run your content and marketing without spending hundreds a month on scattered tools, OneCommand AI is worth a serious look. The line to check it out is the description. I'd recommend reading through the checkout page carefully so you know what the full funnel looks like before you commit. That's the honest review. Hope it helpful you make a smarter decision. If this review was useful to you, drop a comment below, especially if we already tried OneCommand AI. I'd love to hear real user feedback in the comments. See you in the next one.